Good morning, students. I hope you all are well, healthy, and fit, and enjoying your holidays. In the last lecture, we talked about the reproduction, egg laying animals, and the internal structure of an egg. In today's lecture, we will talk about the life cycle of a hen and the life cycle of a frog. So, let's start with the life cycle of a hen. This diagram shows the life cycle of a hen. In the life cycle of a hen has the following stages. In the stage 1, adult hen lay eggs in the nest. They lay egg in the nest because the nest is the safest place for an egg. In the stage 2, the mother hen incubates the egg so that the embryos can develop. In the stage 2, the mother hen incubates the egg so that the embryos can develop. Once the embryo inside the egg is completely developed, a chick prepares to come out of the egg. In the stage 3, when the chick completely developed or when the embryo inside the egg is completely developed, in order to come out of the egg, chick breaks the shell. This is known as hatching. What is hatching? Hatching is the process when an embryo inside the egg is completely developed, then chick prepares to come out of the egg. In order to come out, the chick breaks the shell. This is known as hatching. In the final stage, the young chick grows to become an adult bird. The parent bird look after the chicks until they can look after themselves. This is the whole life cycle of a hen. So, what are the stages in the life cycle of a hen? In the stage 1, adult hen lay egg in the nest. After laying egg, it incubates the eggs so that the embryos can develop. In the third stage, when the embryo inside the egg is completely developed, then a chick prepares to come out of the egg. In order to come out of the egg, the chick breaks the shell. This is known as hatching. So in the stage 3, the chick breaks the shell and come out of the egg. In the final stage, the chick grows to become an adult bird. The parent bird look after the chick until they can look after themselves, and this process continues. This is all about the life cycle of a hen. Now let's talk about the life cycle of a frog. The This diagram shows the life cycle of a frog. In the life cycle of a frog, it has the following stages. In the stage 1, the adult frog lay eggs in the water or wet places. In the stage 1, female adult frog lay eggs in the water or wet places. The eggs are laid in a large clusters which are generally float on water. You can see here these eggs are in a cluster. Cluster mean a group of similar things that are close together. You can see that all these eggs are very close to each other or close together. This cluster floats on water and is called frog's pond. What? This cluster of eggs generally floating, that's why it's called frog's pond. In the stage 3, the eggs develop into a teeny young one called tadpole. Tadpole hatches out of the egg, and a tadpole is very similar to a fish in structure. You can see that in the stage 3 that this tadpole is looks very similar to a fish in structure. It has tail which they use to swim, and it breathes through gills. In order to become an adult frog, a tadpole undergoes several changes through a process known as metamorphosis. Basically, metamorphosis is the process to change a tadpole to become an adult frog. So, a tadpole undergoes several changes through a process known as metamorphosis, and this tadpole become an adult frog, and this cycle continues. I hope you all are understand the life cycle of a frog and the life cycle of a hen. So on the basis of today's lecture, I'll give you a one worksheet and you have to complete that worksheet in your previous year science notebook or in a separate science notebook. Thank you.